Royal Dutch Shell and its partners Eneco Holdings and Mitsubishi Corporation are seeking to sell a stake in 2 Dutch offshore wind farm projects that may cost $1.4 billion to develop. The companies are looking to reduce their ownership in the Borssele III and IV wind farms by as much as 45%. The fourth partner, infrastructure contractor 1.4-billion, is keeping its share of the project. The move would allow the companies to scale back financial exposure to the wind farms and redeploy the cash in new projects with the potential for higher returns. Shell has said only that it is trying to draw in additional investors, refusing to detail what that may entail. Its strategy is to focus on developing the early stages of gigantic wind farms and avoid holding the assets as long-term operations, which offers a steady but slower payback. This is part of a planned assessment by the consortium on how to best fund the project and future offshore wind projects for the long term. Offshore wind projects require substantial capital. They are in the energy transition for the long haul. The project marks Shell's first foray into large-scale offshore wind developments. Shell and its partners won a contract to build the facility's 14 MW off the port city of Zeeland in the Netherlands last December, beating 26 other bidders in a government auction for power generation capacity. With a combined capacity of 700 megawatts, the units may require investment of $1.4 billion by the time they are complete in 2020, according to estimates from Bloomberg New Energy Finance. By those calculations, a 45% stake may be worth roughly $630 million. None of the companies have disclosed their specific stakes in the project or their outlook for the total investment required. One of the people familiar with the deal said Shell has 50%, Eneco 30%, and both 1.4 and Mitsubishi each of 10%. The stake may be split and sold to multiple buyers. The companies are currently running the sale process and expect to wrap it up before the end of the year. One new equity partner has already been selected. Strategy is indeed to support the project as an investor during the construction phase, and, as a consequence. To get faster updates and the latest news from the oil and gas industry, please subscribe to the YouTube New Video channel and connect with us on Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn.